Initially, when I took the reading for you, when I saw your first podcast, वो तो something I got connected with you. क्या पता नहीं. Um, तो मैंने सोची I think she's the right one for me to guide me through. There is something that was telling me. So तो मैंने call किया, I talked to you and I did the thing session with you. And then after the session, I was like, क्या है बहुत सारा बोल रहे हैं मुझको बट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग दैट वे मे बी इज दिस राइट और रॉन्ग मेरे तो वो कंफ्यूजन में हूँ थोड़ा सा देन आई सेड नो लेट मी जस्ट सरेंडर टू हर वॉट एवर शी टोल्ड मी लेट मी जस्ट डू इट एंड देखती हूँ कैसे चेंज हो रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट बिग सेशन आई टुक फ्रॉम somebody फॉर आकर्षिक रिकॉर्ड्स तो uh, मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया नहीं Kali, I was thinking about it because with my schedule and all that, it never permitted me to do that. Okay. तो मैंने एक ही बार सुनी our video after you're done with my session. And then after एक month के बाद आपने call किया ना, तब I was feeling so guilty that I haven't even practiced what you told me to. And then मैं सच्ची बताऊंगी उसको that I did not do anything. I did not practice. And let me see whatever comes up. She's going to guide me through. तो मैंने सोची थी that is what is our session going to end. Because that's 1 month में होगा. तो ये end है. I mean, I cannot ask you, oh, can you do me like after 10 days? Or तो उस दिन आपने बोली as if that you understood me what was going inside me. आपने बोली कि okay, why don't we do next month? I'm going to give you one more month and I'll let me see what's the change that you're going to get. Practice it and come back. It's like, wow. This is definitely one more opportunity I got from God through you saying that karo ye acha hai tumko again reconfirming it, this is the right thing for you to do. So tab maine okay, you know what? Itna ta samay nahi lega. Let me start practicing it every day in the morning before I get up from my bed, then before I get busy with the schedule and stuff. So I started doing it. पहले मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग सुनकर करती हूँ so I always used to go into that, always used to go to my subconscious mind. I was never conscious with your video. I don't know. I used to go fall asleep. I don't know what was happening. I used to start listening to yours, put that correctly where you started the recording. And then I used to start listening. And it was like, okay, let me do it. And then after probably like 10 days or so, I think I started doing it without your recording. I can hear your voice. Okay, do this, do this, do this. This is how it is. So now release it, clean it, pack it, send it to the thing. And then whenever I sit, like calm for 2 minutes, I'm not a person who sits at all. If I have time, I know I can do more things that I can grow in. But there is something in me that always I'm in like on the go. So I started like even when I'm driving, now I see, oh, my things baggage is clearing up. The clouds, I see that going in the sky, and I'm removing my baggage, and I see a big shift in my how I feel about relationships. How much I used to be attached. Now I still love them, but there is something that's actually giving me, okay, that's them. This is you. Start loving them, but don't get attached to them. There is something that's guiding me so much from inside and from outside, I feel. And abundance ka water, definitely I was practicing it. Probably 3, 4 days I did not do it, but other than that, I did it. And I feel so much shift in my energy and just that happiness that I have inside cannot be even said in terms of words or expressions. क्योंकि इतना इतना change हो गया कि I feel every change I'm experiencing it. It's like so much joy, what everybody uh probably you don't express this because a lot of people don't understand what I'm experiencing, but for sure you know what I'm really feeling inside, how much shift I have been I mean, I got through this, and definitely I should be thank you to you and God that gave me this opportunity going through you. And I really love this session because you clarified. I was thinking, okay, I feel lighter, I feel this. Okay, but is there any confirmation that somebody can tell me what I feel? Like, आज तो आपने like सच्ची में you have given me so much more confidence inside me just by saying what you saw in me. So abhi to like it's like okay, this is what it is. If you do this, this is what is going to happen. So you have given me a guidance like do this, and you'll see the difference. And I've seen the difference. And this is amazing, amazing, amazing. And I'm so thankful with all the gratitude that I have inside me that I've been able to be part of your session.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll give you the recordings and thank you so much. I'm really
No, no,
honored.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
But I'm really happy because
Uh,
there were so many doubts in you and you were able to
अभी तो
see it.
बहुत क्लियर किया आपने like my I thought it's just my feelings like तो do I think this way but why am I thinking like that but अभी तो आपने बोला and you made it so clear that okay you are going in the right direction you start seeing stuff now you gave me more and more confident that I can even speak you know about myself to anybody if I really need to.
Wow, great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Take
thank
care.
you.
Bye.
Bye.